Hello and welcome to programming. This is video number 52. In this video I'll show you how to make YouTube video player with Java 8. That's video player from YouTube. What you need in here is you need another Python module which is called livestreamer. If you go to the website, you will see that you have options to install on a bunch of OSs, including Mac OS. Step 2, we're going to be downloading utube.zip. That's the URL for it. Download it. After that you extract, and then copy it, go to home folder. I'll extract the project into idea project. That's the project layout. That's from the previous video in my channel on how to create YouTube video search application with Java 8. Step 3, we're gonna need to write a script to fetch for video link. So we're gonna call it getvideolink.py, and I believe that's it. We can start now. I'm using Community Edition, IntelliJ IDEA. Any IDE at all would be fine. So we're going to be copying this and we're going to paste it the same place. We're going to call it get YouTube get video link. And if you don't see syntax highlight, you're going to need to install a plugin for Python. And this is what we're gonna write in order to this is what we're gonna write in order to get the link of the video. First we get the URL from the user, system.argv1, and then what we need here is we're going to create a live streamer object. So streamer object is live streamer. Once we have that, we can get all the streams from the URL using streamer dot get all streams. Fetch all these streams from the URL, then we'll get the best one, return stream the best one. We're not returning anything, we just print it out, so let's say print. Okay, let's see how that works. We save it, let's open the terminal. From inside the IDE we can say that let's try that out. So import live streamer. Streamer is live streamer dot live streamer. All stream from streamer. Get all the stream using the URL. We're gonna need to get the URL. I already have it here. Stop that. You can be copying this and then go back to the IDE, and then we said that's how many stream we have from that URL, 8 to them, and each of them will be will have a key to it. The usual key that you're gonna guarantee to have is best and worst. So let's just say we want the best stream from this URL. We can say stream best. Now that's the best. It's a HTTP stream, and if we want to get the URL of it, we can say best.url. That's where we get that from. Okay, so next, we're not going to be touching this except for copying, of course. So we're going to be creating a new module. The way to do it, it's right click on this and then new module. Of course, it's going to be another Java module. Click next, and let's call it utstation. Inside utstation, not utstation, we're going to create a new package. Let's call it org.utube.utstation. We're going to be copying this and then paste it here. We'll get some errors, and it says lambda expression are not supported at this language level. So we click on this to check on the property of the module. The language level set for this module, it's level 6. We need to set it, bump it to level 8, apply, and then OK. The error should be gone and we should be able to run it. User is supposed to be able to search for all of these videos, and we want the user to be able to click on this and then play the video, the actual video from YouTube. Before we do that, we just make a good animation to dissolve the whole page before we fade into the player. First, we're going to separate these components here into 3 groups. The upper groups contain the video on the first 2 rows, and the lower group is going to contain all of the images on the lower 2 rows. And the third group will contain the background for the search and the texture for the search. So we need to rename this from UT search into UT station. I don't have a good name for it. I'll just go with that. So we're gonna need 3 group. Let me expand this, and the 3 group would we would call the 3 group lower, upper, and search. Upper will be a group containing the first 2 rows. This will be upper. Once we have all of the elements for the upper group, we're gonna add it to the root. Now we do the same thing for the lower. The lower group, we +2, and that should be +2. Once we've done that, and we should add to lower, not upper. And the lower should be set translate x to be y. We lower it down to get plus 2 times h plus gap, and we need to say this. And the third group would be search group, missing an R. This group should contain the search background. I still can't find a control key here. And it should also contain text view. After that, we just add it to the root. Now position it. Okay. Let's okay. Right click on this, run. It should change to utstation. Okay, now that's good. So when the user click on the image, we just add the animation now. So we need a little bit more than a URL of the icon, so we're gonna change image view into video view. Go back, and we're gonna create a new video view. The video view is simply extending image view, but with a video information, with an attribute called video, which contains video information. Okay, we're gonna need to import this, and this should be supplying the image. Also from JavaFX, we just call it super constructor of the superclass, and then we'll add set video and get video. We don't need get video because the video is public, so they just say video will be a class which contain the icon URL, the YouTube URL, just simply call it URL, and title, and video link, or we just call it video link. I add a constructor which will have 3 of these. And to get the video, it will be within the search video. Now the search video will not simply contain the list of string icon URL, it will be a list of video. this, we need to create an instance of the video in order to add to the list of the video, because the constructor take 3 of them. First one is icon, second one is URL, which is that one, third one is title. Anyway, this simply said that each time we get a return back, we want to split with these string. But there are some other cases where string started with double quote instead of single quote, so we need to be flexible here. We gonna allow 2 of character in here, either one is fine. So one is single quote, the other one is double quote. But because we have to enclose everything with the double quote, we just need to escape that character like that. Now we need to fix this by changing the second parameter. Okay, let's we need to fix this by changing the second parameter from string to video, and then we go to the video image loader. That should be video. Now the URL of the icon should be video.icon. So we're done with that one. What we need to do next is we need to add functionality to image view, that when the user click on it, we gonna supply the video to it. We're gonna do this simply by adding a listener, which is an interface class. We're gonna call it video click listener. Video click listener. Video click listener will have a method called clicked video clicked, and we'll give it information of the video, and that's it. Now on video view, we're gonna say on mouse click. I'm gonna set on mouse click. Say on mouse click. Mouse even E. We're gonna call it. Let's finish it here. If listener will have video click listener, which we call listener. If it's not no, somebody listen to it, we're gonna say listener dot video click and give it the video information of this video object. So we need to find a way to set listener video click listener is dot listener equal listener. Let's make it private. change all of these into video view. Not done. Okay, so let's see how that goes. Okay, still good. Okay, we need to register for our listener. So we'll make this and video click listener. We're gonna be implementing that. So once we get the video information, we just say, let's just print out something that's for now, video URL, video URL, just to make sure that it clicked the right one. Then in this we'll fetch for video link and then play it. Oh, there are two steps to it. Animate the this soft to player, to video player, and to fetch the video and play it. The bell is hurting my ear. Okay, so let's try that out. Okay, not yet. We haven't done this. We haven't say that for each of the view preset register as this object. Again with this. So when we click, it should get the exception. Oh, we haven't set anything yet, so we haven't set the video to the image view yet. That's a problem. So we're gonna need to do that real quick. Let me close that one. Now on a search video, we're gonna say it's in this class. Video. On search. Okay, how do we do this? We said we need to say for each of these. Now we show for each of these we're gonna set videos R and C. It's not video, it's view. Set video to be videos.get R times column plus C. After we fetch the information of the videos, we're gonna have to update the information of the video view with the corresponding video views. That's why we set it there. Now this time if we run it, we should get the link, and there shouldn't be. Okay, that means it works. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna animate. Open up the player. To that we're gonna have to on click, animation, upper. We're gonna animate the upper, so we're gonna say we're gonna scroll upper part up. And let's just simple translate transition up, translate transition. In here we need new duration. Let's set it to 1 second, and we want to translate upper. From Y, which is going up and down, so from Y rolling up, from Y 0, set from Y, set to Y, minus. Times and play. And for the lower group, we just say down, affecting lower group from Y let me go back, set translate, that should be from Y set to Y, going down a bit more, just say height of the application plus a little bit just to make sure it's gone out of view. And this is down. Okay, sorry about the noise. And Okay, let's just make the search disappear after the animation. So we say let's pick down dot set on finish action even a. To this end we're gonna say search dot set opacity. That'll make it disappear. And we haven't played anything yet, so let's try the animation first. Get rid of these. Get the video. Click on one. We need to go up a bit more, so why not? Now we're gonna fix this to play the link. We're gonna need to call getvideolink, so we're just gonna grab this. The whole thing. Why is it? Play video. Using the URL. So play video using video.url. We have the URL, the script we're gonna call is getvideolink, and that's the URL. I'm pretty sure it's one line, so we're gonna say string video link as next line. How do we play it? We're gonna need media player. I already have a video about media player, how to make movie play using Java and JavaFX. You can go back and watch it. I'm gonna do it real quick here. Just the media view for me, and you can add other stuff up later. Media player, and media player is going to need media view in order to display it. Import it. course we're gonna have to add it to the root node somehow. It'll be the first because it's gonna be to the back of the screen. Media view player. I need something here. Nope, just the media view. And would that get children? Media view. Okay, we're gonna make sure that it fits the whole screen. We're doing this exactly the same thing. Set fit width and then set fit height to the application. So now we have media. We can get a media from video link. Media imported. And then player. Set the view for it. Set player to be player. Default player dot start. Play. Now to test this, when the player end, set on end of media, we're gonna do following. Show search page. Search page will doing exactly this, but the opposite. If player dot get status dot playing, we want a player to stop. And before we can do this, which is bringing back the search page, to bring back, we just have to reverse this. That's from, that's to, that's to, that's from. We probably need to change the name. The first one should be down. Second one should be up. Now this should reappear after The animation is gone. Right. It will start playing. Whoa, this is too loud. It's too loud. And I believe it play, but you're gonna have to wait until it's finished to come back to show search page. So we're gonna add something to stop the movie player and come back on a search page whenever the user want to. Let's, for example, user click on the player to go back to the search page. You can add something else, but this is the quickest way to get me done with the video. Now, where do we add it? We're gonna add it to video view, not set on mouse click. On mouse click, any mouse at all, we're gonna go back to search page, show I don't think we need this. Okay, so it's gonna be really loud again. One last time before we go. So meaning, why not? And click on that one. It will play. We want to click on it, and show page should come back, and we should be able to search a new one. Some video just doesn't have link. We just have to find the right one. Still, again, this doesn't have link. What does have? Which one? No. Okay, some video doesn't have link, as you can see, so it doesn't show. Anyway, just one last time. I want to see the minion. It would be nice to have the control on the player as well. My ears can't handle it, so we're just gonna go back and conclude the tutorial for this one. That's it for programming number 52. This is how to make YouTube video player with Java 8 and JavaFX. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.